I call the shots round here.
The Jamaican.
This is the Arts Page.
The Jamaican film industry is growing.
Jamaica's love affair with film has been a long and illustrious one. For many years, the country has been the destination of choice for filmmakers and video directors to capture and convey their stories to the world. And it is clear to see why. The government has been playing its part to position the island as the cultural mecca of the Caribbean, and film is a central character in that story. The 1948 Motion Picture Industry Encouragement Act illustrates a policy that supports the promotion of filmmaking on the island. And in 1984, the Jamaica Film Commission was established to promote the local film industry. But despite these major steps, the industry hasn't quite developed as expected.
The Jamaican film industry is actually in a bit of a renaissance, in the sense that for a few years we hadn't produced much of anything.
The Jamaican film industry, to me, is still progressing. It's hard to say it's an industry in a sense for feature films. It's definitely an industry when it comes to doing commercials and music videos.
We definitely have a film industry. We've had it in some semblance for a very long time.
But what does it need to grow?
We definitely need more writers.
What we lack in a lot of scenarios is the funding to make it commercially viable.
The technologies aren't readily available for us, which is what is very important. There isn't enough concentration on the education of film in Jamaica.
But a change is on the horizon.
Edna Manley has the foundation for a film program. We have the drama school where acting, theatre arts, script writing are taught. We have a sculpture department where set design in collaboration with the drama school can take place. What we really lack are cameras. Students are creating short films with cell phone cameras. And they're wonderfully produced.
On the bigger stage, the film office at Jamaica Promotions is doing its bit to iron out all the production kinks that might be holding up a blockbuster Jamaican film industry.
The funding of local content. Again, we have an incentive problem on that particular side, the incoming shoots, and so that is something that we at the Jamaica Film Commission at JAMPA are working towards. What we have done is, first, we've been very supportive of industry associations. We also do a lot of marketing and promotion of Jamaica as a location. In addition, we have been meeting with various players, whether our own colleagues within government, colleague agencies, and also private sector to promote the film industry.
JAMPRO's film office also offers tax concessions to filmmakers who want to import equipment and gives tax breaks to businessmen who invest in Jamaican films. Though slowly progressing, the future of Jamaican film is on the verge of a breakthrough. In the last 2 years, there have been 3 full-length films made in Jamaica. Chris Brownie's Get a Life is the first Jamaican film to be funded fully by local investors. The film also consists of an all-Jamaican cast and crew, and the industry is widening its scope to anime.
I think in the last few years, we've had a lot of independent filmmakers create fantastic large-scale projects, and it's now putting a focus on industry work that was always there.
This has been the Arts Page.